Good morning, students. How are you all? Okay, fine. I'm also fine. Mm, Okay, from the sixth class, the first topic is uh, the food we need. The food we need is the first chapter from the sixth class science. Fine. So, what is generally any human beings? So many cultures are there. So many different peoples are there. So many different states are there. Everywhere eating only same food only? No way. Different states they are eating different food material, different religions, different peoples they are eating different food materials. So what is the purpose of food? What is the use of food? Nothing but generally just we have to think, without food can we live 1 week? Can we live 1 day? Okay, some hours, maybe some hours we can live, but 1 day without food, can we live 1 day, 1 month, 2 years? So no way. Means uh, to do the actions, our body, there is a some we need the some energy. So where we are getting from energy, from where we are? By taking the food material we got the energy, and we have to do the actions, nothing but walking, drinking, or something, whatever, sleeping. So there is functionings are there. There is a function. For example, so many people are there, they are playing cricket. Without taking food mate, can they play? No way. Can they see the watch the movies? No way. So for there is a for every action, uh, we need to energy. So by taking food material, we are getting the energy, and by using that, our body functions are there. So many functions inside of there: digestion problem, digest food material, and actions, sleeping, drinking, playing, everywhere, everything. So by the energy we are using different kinds of to do the activities. So different peoples are there, different peoples are there, and um, North Indians, South Indians, for example, North Indians, South Indians. Generally in South Indian states they are taking rice, but whereas North Indians they are taking chapatis, rotis, aloo gadda, like they are eating. So what we know that different states are there, different peoples are there, different religions are there. So everywhere different cultures are there. So they are taking, they are eating different food material. Okay na? So now from the lesson, in the first lesson, our food, first lesson, the topics which we are learning, mainly what is the food. First point is what is the food, and second point is different food materials, different food material, and third one is ingredients, ingredients in the food. Next, fourth one is preparation and preservation. Fourth topic is preparation and preservation. Next point is different sources food material, different sources of food material. Next, final one, minimizing the wastage of the food, minimizing the wastage of the food material. These are the concept which regarding the food we need, the food we need. Now first page, sixth class science. Here there is a peoples we will able to know that given examples of different food items and their ingredients. That is a first point. Next, ask the coaches understand the different food sources. So second point, different food sources are there. Next, example of the methods of the food preparation and preservation. This one. preparation and preservation of the food. Next one, prepare and preserve the food. Same only, preparation and preserve the food material. Next one, appreciate different food sources. This point, different food sources are there. Different food sources are there. Last point, minimizing the wastage of the food material. Minimizing the wastage of the food material. These are the topics. These are the subtopics we learned in the lesson. The food we need. The food we need. See, in the there is a one diagram is there. There is a one diagram in first page. There is a one exhibition, food exhibition. Food exhibitions are in that. There is a Kirtana and her brother. Kirtana and her brother. They went to food exhibition. They went to food exhibition. So here, so many, they saw so many food materials are there. So many different food materials are. Maybe we also, maybe we never see some food materials. Maybe some food materials we never eat. So different peoples are there, different taking food, different taking food materials. So in this first phase, Kirtan and her brother Abhishek lives in a village. There is a two persons are there, Abhishek and Kirtana. They went to exhibition. They went to food exhibition. See, one day they went to an exhibition. There they saw food stalls and bought some of their favorite food items. And they bought that. Abhishek and Kirtana are there. They went to some exhibition are there. In that exhibition, they have seen so many food materials are there. Food items are there. In that, what is liked by themselves, they bought that and they bring that to home. Next, second page, activity 1, variety of the food materials. Variety of the food materials. Here there is a second page, variety of the food materials are there. First one, rice is there. Mainly North Indians, they are using to eat rice. For example, our daily life also we are using morning tiffin, afternoon lunch. By what? Rice. We are taking rice afternoon and evening supper. So same rice and curry we are using. Whereas North Indians, so they are taking different food materials, chapatis, rotis, some different countries are there. In there, they are using to eat bread, jam, and burgers and pizzas. Somewhere they are taking as a food material. Here, rice is the, we know that rice. And second one is fish curry. We know that fish curry. It's very tasty and we are very interesting to eat fish curry. Next one, bamboo chicken. The chicken which are on bamboo and cooked the chicken inside of the bamboos. So that called name is bamboo chicken. Next, second one, ice cream. We are very interesting to eat ice creams. Yes or no? So mainly children, those are kids. They are very interesting to eat ice creams. And second one is sprouting beans. Sprouting beans. Sprouting beans. And kheera. Next, vada. Different types of food materials. Vada. And pottikallu. Second one is pottikallu. This is also one type of food material. Next one is kiwi fruit. In Reliance Smarts, D-Mart Smarts are there. Reliance, there. Kiwi fruits are there. And potato sticks. We are using some layers are there. Potato layers, potato sticks like. Next, ragi sangate. This is also one type of food. And rose milk. So this is very famous in Rajahmundry. Rose milk, we know that. At Bomana Rajkumar, there is one shop there. In that there is a famous rose milks also. Next, jackfruit, jackfruit. Next one, gulab jam. Next one is gulab jam. Next one, laddu. We are taking very interestly to eat laddus. Some of us, and apples everywhere. We are eating apples. So these are the food materials: rice, fish curry, bamboo chicken, ice cream, sprouts, kira, vada, pochikalu, and kiwi fruits, potato sticks, ragi sangati, and rose milk, and jackfruit, and gulab jam, and laddu, apples. These are the different variety of the foods. And second page, variety of the food materials. Next. So many interest eating to laddus. So many people are taking gulab jams to eat interestly, and some of their our peoples they are eating sprouting beans, and some of very interesting chicken curry, mutton curry, and fish curry with combination of rice. So these are the different food materials. So finally, what we learn, different peoples are there, different groups are there, different religions are there. So they are um, taking different food materials, different. For example, I'm interesting to eat chicken biryani, and some of our sars taking some mutton biryani. Some of you are taking interestly to eat chapatis. Some of they like mm, something gulab jams. So finally, what I'm saying to try, what I'm trying to say that different peoples are there and different cultures are there. According to their region, according to their cultures, they are habituated to eat different food matters. That's what I'm saying. Next, there is a second page. There is a one tables are there. One table are there. See, in that you have to fill that. You have to fill that. Yes, I like eat. I like to eat. I don't like to eat. I have never eaten before. I have never seen before. Nothing but, for example, I like to eat. Yes, myself, I'm lying to eat biryani and with chicken. Biryani with chicken. You have to write first biryani and chicken. And I don't like bitter gourds are there. So we never eat that generally. Bitter gourds with curry of bitter gourds we never eat because it is better. So first I like to eat biryani by myself, and I don't like to eat bitter gourds curry, and I never eaten before. So I never eaten before. Same thing, bitter gourds I never eat, and I never seen something. Some of our we don't know the mushrooms. Mushrooms curry are very tasty. So some of our we never see that mushrooms. Yes or no? So you have to fill this table, and this is a different food matter regarding this page. Okay, na understand? So next, coming to third page. There is a second activity. In third page, second activity is there. What did you eat yesterday? Make a list. Ask your classmates what they ate yesterday and write in the table below. So there is a some collection of data. Take your friends. Take your friends. You have to draw the one table and check the information. Yesterday information. What they did eat. What they did eat. Some of our friends they are taking rice and chapatis and laddus. So like you have to draw the one table and you have to collect the information regarding what they eaten by yesterday. Next, table 2. Say name of the student. You have to write food eaten. Food eaten. See, for example, name of the student Kirtana. One name is there. This table Kirtana. What she eat? Dosa and chutney. Dosa and chutney she ate it yesterday. Next. Be myself, Pratap. I ate biryani yesterday with the chicken curry. So, Pratap, second we have to write Pratap, your name. Nothing but Pratap and biryani. I like that you have to fill the names and what they eaten yesterday. Eaten yesterday. You have to fill this table. Next one. Some questions are there. Did all the students eat the same types of food material? Already in first page I said that. So some of our students they are eating same, but whereas different food materials, different peoples are there, they are eating different food materials. Okay, na? So maybe sometimes it will be same, maybe sometimes different food materials they are taking. Second question. Are there any common food items in the above list? Maybe some common food matters. Rice everywhere. Our AP people are taking rice everywhere. Whereas compared to North Indians, they never eat the rice. So like next point, next question. Prepare menu chart of the food served for a week during midday meals in our schools. Fine. Okay. Midday meal one program is there. Midday meals one program. This was launched by the NTR, NT Ramarao. So in that there is a they are giving our government, they are giving the food afternoon session after the class, they are giving the food materials to the students. That is the midday meals. So our government has something prepare the one menu. So for example, Monday some curd rice, or Tuesday some jela rice, and Thursday like lemon rice. Like they are preparing the different days different food materials. Okay, na? So in a week there is a preparation of food material. For example, Monday chapati and roti, Tuesday sambar with white rice. For example, Wednesday something curry with egg and rice. Like you have to prepare the one chart menu, that is called as menu of the food material. Next one. We take different types of the food every day. Yes, definitely. But some of food items like rice and all vegetables are common. Already we said that some food materials are common, some food materials are different. Next one. On special occasions, we eat variety of the food items, and what are the food items made of? Okay. Generally, we are celebrating the celebrations, marriages functions, and some other functions are there. In that, generally we are using chicken biryani, chicken kebabs, and mutton biryani, mutton kebabs, chicken 65, and palak paneer, and mushroom curry, and vada, and idli. Different food matters they are arranging the in the functions. So mainly biryani is the common thing everywhere, every functions, any functions. So fine. Next, there is a last one box is there in third page. There is a one box is there. There is a one box. We'll read out. Next, World Food Day in celebrations October 16th. World. This is one point, important point. World Food Day celebrations on 16th of October. 16th of October. Why we are celebrating as a World Food Day? There is a reason. It has an annually celebrations in the honor of the founding date of the FAO. What is FAO? Food and Agriculture Organization. Food and Agriculture Organization. This was launched on the 16th of October. So that's why the remember of the 16th of October we are celebrating as is the World Food Day. World Food Day. What is FAO? Food and Agriculture Organization, and launched by the United Nations. So United Nations, it was launched in 1945. UNA launched one program FAO, that is on October 16th. That's why we are celebrating as a food day, World Food Day in 16th October. So the aim of the celebrations of this day is to promote worldwide awareness and action for those who suffer from hunger and for the need to ensure the food security and nutrition. So these are the information which regarding third page. Later we are discussing next. Thank you.